So as we look through the rest of the menus, there are obviously a number of other buttons here. So in the bottom left corner, if we click on that, you're going to see just our standard camera layout, if you will. As we click on this other one here that looks kind of like a crosshairs, this is going to allow us quite a few different options as far as how we display information on the screen and what temperature measurements we're going to be making. So the full image is just going to pick the hot and the cold spot in the image as its total picture. If we do the dot, we can literally pick points on the screen to monitor. As you can see here, it just adds more and more dots. If we want to clear those out, we just go here and hit the delete button, and then we can go back to full image. If, however, we would like to monitor something in a line, say for instance we want to see if anything changes across a plane of axis, we can draw a line on the screen and it will monitor that continuously until we clear that out. Then we can also do a plane, which actually allows us to draw effectively like a box. So if we have a component that we want to target and monitor the temperature of, we can draw a box around it, and then we can have clear temperature monitoring of that very specific area on the screen for as long as we want. And then of course we can clear that out. And then if we want to see a trend chart to see the temperature actually graphed, we can draw an image on the screen or a line like this, and then it will literally graph it over time. Now, if you wanted to use your screen record on your phone or tablet to record that graph, you could also do that. So pretty cool stuff if you want to be able to monitor something. Maybe you set this thing up and you're going to set it up so that it can be aimed at maybe a thermostat to see if a thermostat is opening. That'd be a great thing that you could do. You could draw a line basically through the thermostat and monitor the temperature to see if the thermostat is in fact opening when it is supposed to. Additionally, as we continue on here, we do have a couple other things. We have the picture-in-picture, which takes advantage of the actual camera itself within the tablet, which of course is aimed at the vehicle right now, basically aimed straight down. So we can't really overlay it right now, but if we were to align the picture with the thermal camera as well as the camera on the tablet, we could do a level of picture-in-picture that could add some clarity as to what we're looking at. Transparency just allows us to adjust that picture-in-picture to make it more opaque or less opaque.